And the SINULOG flow is still going on. And the SINULOG flow is still going on. And the SINULOG flow is still going on. Till the inspiration create new ideas. Till the inspiration create new ideas. Everyone is remembering the SINULOG spirit. And everyone is remembering the SINULOG spirit. And everyone is remembering the SINULOG atmosphere. All are still in the SINULOG trance. All are still in the SINULOG trance. All day long, whole week long, and all the year long, till the new inspirations are released. New colorful costumes, new dance formations, new stage decoration, new dance competition, new SINULOG songs, new SINULOG song competition. Everyone is remembering the SINULOG spirit. Everyone is remembering the SINULOG spirit. And everyone is remembering the SINULOG atmosphere. All are still in the SINULOG trance. All are still in the SINULOG trance. All day long, whole week long, and all the year long, till the new inspirations are released. The big SINULOG parade is still flows in our mind. The big SINULOG girl is still over the seat of Cebu and all over the country, and keeps everyone safe. And keeps everyone safe. And we'll touch every Cebuano and Filipino heart. SINULOG, SINULOG, the spirit flow all over Cebu and Philippines. SINULOG, SINULOG, Rihanna, Cebu, Nino forever. SINULOG, SINULOG, Rihanna, Sardinia forever. And it will touch every Cebuano and Filipino heart.